What if you could create a flower pot, toy, or spoon at home? This isn't science fiction, this is 3D printing. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works. What is a 3D printer? A 3D printer is a machine that creates real physical objects from a digital design. Instead of carving material, it builds objects layer by layer. This process is called additive manufacturing because it adds material step by step until your object is complete. Most 3D printers use filaments like PLA, which is easy to use, ABS, which is stronger, and resin, which is used for highly precise prints. How does it work? First, you need a 3D model. You can design it using software or download ready-made designs from the internet. The model is converted into hundreds of thin layers using slicing software. This process creates instructions for the printer, called G-code. Before printing, you set up the machine by loading the filament, leveling the print bed, and setting the temperature. The printer melts plastic and lays it down layer by layer. Each layer sticks to the previous one, slowly forming your object. After printing, remove the object from the printer, clean it, remove any auxiliary structures, and smooth the surface. Your object is now ready to use. 3D printing has many benefits. It allows you to create anything you imagine, helps save money on small items, and is great for learning and creativity. However, it also has some drawbacks. It can take time, requires patience and practice, and needs proper setup and space. Here are some global companies that make compact and affordable 3D printers for home users, students, and hobbyists. If you love creativity, then a 3D printer can be an amazing tool. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.